What's going on, good people? Welcome to Eagle IFX. And guys, I'm so happy to be back again with another episode. So guys, also this episode I'm going to show you some of the trade that I took, and I'm so happy guys that I was actually finally funded. Right now I'm funded. I know there is this MFF saga, my Forex fund saga, and everything. People are a bit scared, but look, we play on, we move on, come what may, right? So I got funded, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the trades that I took, the mindset, and what I saw before I took those trades and stuff like that. And I know that you're gonna get a ton of value from this episode over here. So guys, remember to show some love by hitting on the like button, hitting on the subscribe button, and also turning on the notification bell so that you do not miss on all the videos and every episode that we post. So the beautiful trade that I took, one of them was Euro card, and also we had GBP card. These are two trades that I took. So you can see them. We had this structure over here. So I actually took a sell on top over here. So you can see that it gave us a clean double top. So of course after there, I was looking forward to selling opportunities. So let's go to them 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this was a structure that I had, and also you can see here that we had quite an ascending structure, that was quite corrective. But the first thing that I saw was this massive rejection. So once I saw this massive rejection over here, so I was waiting for my flag over there. Remember, then I can be able to now enter the trade and just sell to the downside. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that on the 1 hour time frame, so we had this move to the upside. So let's just maybe take this one out, or maybe up somewhere around over there. All right, so you can see that we have this selling structure. Then you can see that we have this strong momentum. All right, almost convincing you that this market is actually breaking out of this level and continue to go to the upside. But then we had this market coming back strong inside. Then we had our structure over there. So you can see that we had a clean structure. So what I did is that I think once it broke out, I think when I saw something, let me see, I think I saw some rejection. Let's see. Yes, I entered here. So what I saw, let's look at 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, even though this, you can see that had a massive 3 touch. We have our first touch over here, then a second touch, and we had our third touch over here. All right, so what I did is that once I saw this market, if I extend this, you can see this market, once I saw this market actually had sort of like broken out, that is when I entered the trade over here. All right, and then you can see my stop loss was just above this level, so that just in case maybe this market decided to come back here and give us another touch before it goes down, then you are still safe. So I actually entered there, and you can see it's a clean flag. So we had an impulse move correction, and my target was actually down over here. And you can see what happened. Look at that, the market just went straight to the level, right? And this was a clean 6%. So this was just a straightforward trade, an impulse move, then a clean flag, then a continuation to the downside. And it was actually the same thing with GBP card. Let's look at GBP. So that's Euro card. So GBP card, it was also the same thing. So we had this level over here. So the market came, if you look at that, so you can see on the 4 hour time frame, the market came. You can see that there was massive rejection. You can see that candlestick, and there's this market strong rejection over here. So on the 1 hour time frame, what was I looking for? I was just looking for that that flag over there. And if I take that one out, you can see it was a clear flag. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. Let's remove that. So you can see that also on the 15 minutes time frame, we had this we had this level and this level and that level over here. So of course, definitely we're looking to go to the downside. So also what I did is that if I play this one out, you can see that I actually entered here. In this one I never waited, I just entered on this level over here, and my stop loss was just 17.5, and you can see it's just an impulse move, a very clean flag, right? With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, almost a half day. Remember, this one they have to be 6 to 8, minimum 6 to 8, and of course my stop loss was there above that level over there, and this was actually the target. And as you can see, it actually came back, okay, just spiked back inside, right? A massive rejection. So maybe on the 15-minute time frame it looks like a breakout and a retest, some sort of, yeah. So it came back to that level over there, then it just went massively down. As you can see, it went all the, though it never completed to there, it spiked back, but by that time I've already passed. You can see that it played out around 7%, right? So the target was 8.02. so of course I secured my profit already and moved my stop loss to break even, and already I had passed my assessment. So let me show you that. Beautiful. So guys, you can see phase 1 certificate I wanted to Sancho, that's my name. That was on 8th, that was on 31st, all right? That's the date. Of course, this was a phase 1 certificate, and the prop firm that I'm using is MyFundedFX, all right? And guys, if you want to join MyFundedFX, there's a link on the description. You can click that and get your account. So this was my phase 1 certificate, all right? So let's continue. So beautiful. So after that, then now you are on phase 2, and the beautiful trade that I took on phase 2 was Euro NSD. Beautiful trade. So now Euro NSD, I want to show you something interesting, all right? So the mindset that behind this trade was this, all right? And you can see that we had this structure. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we had this descending structure. Maybe let's just focus on the current price action. So we had this structure over here. We had we had this correction and impulse move. We had a correction and impulse move. So I was looking for that correction over there. So what happened is that you can see that on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that I actually just there was this the market was descending to this level. Then when it got here, so you can see we have this is 1, right? So this is first touch, the second touch, and of course if I extend this, you can see that we were actually on our 3rd touch, and we had an impulse move, we had a correction. So this market had actually broken out. Then what I did is that I waited for some sort of like a correction, right? Some sort of like a correction. Then I actually entered, right? Then I actually entered this trade. Okay, so you can see the stop loss was just if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we had this so there's an impulse move correction, right? It came to correct again. So once it broke out of this structure, you can see this is also another structure with 1, 2, and 3 touches. 1, 2, 3 touches. So once it broke out, I was waiting for a correction, before now I can continue. So it corrected, then it corrected again, then it corrected again. That is when now I did what? That is when now I actually entered my trade over here. And then what happened? Let's look at what happened if you play this out. You can see the market went and then came back again. I think for the 3rd time. There was, I don't know what made this spike. I think there was some news. Now, this is interesting, guys. I'm going to show you something. I have 2 accounts. This one that I've been funded, another one that I'm doing. So normally what I do, I place my stop losses are here on my trading view, all right? But I don't physically, sometimes I don't physically put the stop loss on my account. I mark it. So what I do is that you see on my phone, I'm going to show you, I mark it with the red line. I know that this is where my stop loss level is. And then I keep watching the structure, because sometimes these manipulations can just take you out. For example, like this trade, I used only this one trade to actually pass my phase 2. I only took one trade and I was able to to pass this. So actually, this trade played out. I think look, it just went all the way till now. I think this is around 10%. Right, the target was just 5%, but I closed it when it was around almost 6%, somewhere around here when it was correcting. So you can see that I'm going to show you in one level what can happen. Like one of the accounts, I was taken out on the stop loss, then the market played out. But the other account, because I just placed the stop loss, I normally place a red line, then I use that to monitor it. Then based on how the market is behaving, since sometimes I can just manually close it. So the long and short of it is that I actually took this trade and I was funded. Let me show you guys. Yeah guys, so here we are, my funded FX, the funded trader certificate awarded to Sancho. That is fifth. That's actually today. I closed this trade today in the morning. So we just got funded, guys. So now the drill is now to just trade this account, to use the profits, to scale up to the next level, guys. So let's go back to the charts. So you can see, guys, I'm gonna go to my phone and show you some of this trade, but there are also some other beautiful trades that I actually missed out. For example, like this trade, I was watching this trade that is ODUSD. I actually missed out this move. As you can see, it actually played out. Yeah, though I was thinking maybe it could come back and give us a double top before it goes down. You can see it never did that, just went down. But you can see after the breakout, there was a clean flag here, so I could have still passed this thing, guys. So I was watching ODUSD, I was watching NSDUSD. They had the same structure. Okay, you can see we had this flag over here. So of course, then look at how the market just went down. All right, and then also some other beautiful trades. I think NSD card. Yeah, this is another NSD card that I missed out. I think there was some news, that's why we have this spike over here. But you can see I was waiting for this market to come, then before it goes down. Remember, guys, like I said, sometimes the market will not come, so what you do, you will evolve with the structure. For example, like this, once it broke out, you can see clearly that was our flag. So impulse move correction, then you could have actually now entered that trade. All right, then also we had, I think, Euro AUD. Yeah, this is Euro AUD. I missed this, so we had this impulse move. So you can see it was a clean 1 2 3, then you had an impulse move, then you had this flag over here. So definitely we have been looking for a continuation. So that's Euro NSD, right? Yeah, we've already looked at that. Euro AUD, we've looked at that. Then then there's some other trades that we are also watching. Let's look at some of these actually. So it's good to just have an analysis and have several of these trades that you're looking at. We've already looked at that. Let's see, EJ, what happened? Yeah, so this is this one I'm looking for buys. All right, so this I'm looking for buys. So you can see we are coming from there's some sort of like a double bottom over here, though there's some gap here that was created here. Sometimes the market could come and fill that gap before it goes back, though this could actually act like an impulse move correction and then continuation to the upside. So I'm looking at EJ, and then I'm looking at another one. I don't know if it's GP. No, it's another trade I'm actually monitoring. Let's see, odd NSD, odd JPY, Euro card, Euro JPY. Yeah, I think so basically I think on odd NSD, Euro JPY. Yeah, I think that's what I'm monitoring. So let me change this to that so I can be able to know. So we have some other trades like Euro GBP, CHF JPY. This is trade I'm looking for. Maybe let me make them into a different color so that I can be able to CHF JPY and Euro JPY. Yeah, so let me make them into blue so that it's easier because this is, you can see they actually look similar. So we can see that we are coming from 1 to almost the 3 touch. We had an impulse move, we had a correction. So basically what I'm doing is that I don't want to chase this thing. So I want to wait and see if this market will come all the way to pick me here. So you can see my stop loss is going to be around 17 pips, and then you can see our target is around 6%, right? That's JPY. Also Euro JPY or EJ, the same thing. We are looking for buying opportunities at this level. So of course our stop loss is going to be also around 17 pips, and actually our target is going to be this level, which is close to a 10%. Even if you target here around 9%, but we can actually target overall there, which is this could be a place that we're going to target, which is a clean 10%. So you can see that maybe, I don't know, I'm still waiting for them to send me for my FundFX to send me my login details for my live account. Then perhaps this could be my first 2 trades. Then we see how it's gonna go, guys. So let me jump on my phone and show you some of the things I was talking about, and then we can continue from there. What's up, good people? So this is what I was talking about. So you can see, and also is a difference I've seen between 8cap and think markets. All right, very different. So you can see this is a trade we are talking about. That is a Euro NSD. So you can see we had the descending structure over here, right? Then we had an impulse move. Then you had a correction. Of course, what I was looking forward is I was actually looking for this flag. So an impulse move, correction, then continuation. So you see a big difference here. So this is the red line I was talking about. So you can see that. So I placed this red line over here to manually see where my stop loss is, and you can see this trade just came to this level over there, then it actually played out, and that is how I was actually able to pass my assessment. But let me show you the same trade. Now we think this is 8cap. Now the other account, it was Think Markets. So you can see this one on Think Market. So this is the same trade, but you can see, I don't know what's wrong with this broker. There's something wrong. This is pure manipulation. But anyway, you can see this is where the structure was, right? Then look, it actually spiked and took me out. Then it actually just played out. So this one actually took me on a loss. So this account I could have also passed, but now I took a 1% loss. And yeah, anyway, it is what it is. So we play on despite whatever. You can see that this one actually, you can see the spike is a bit longer, so it came all the way to touch my stop loss on the 30 minutes time frame before it goes out. But if you look at this, this is the other one. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that it was very far, 81,444. The market did not actually even get close to that level. Then it played out. So that is the difference I wanted to show you guys. So let's carry on with our lesson. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, to turn on the notification bell. Remember to leave us a comment so that we can also know if we are getting value from these lessons. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.